Hey everybody, Sam here with Rathbone Sales, coming at you on top of one of the Rogue mowers from Bad Boy Mowers. This has got the 61-inch deck and a 1000cc Kawasaki engine. One of the most frequently asked questions I get about these mowers is how fast can I mow with it? Answer is you got a 12-mile-an-hour top speed, and I'm going to show you just how fast you can mow with one of these machines. This is in some pasture grass. It's a little bit long. And as you can see, there's some trees behind me, so it's going to be a bit rough. There's tree roots coming out into the pasture. And if you've got grass like this, I'm going to show you why this is the machine for you. Stay tuned. Finally getting to mow with one of these machines. I have a couple of notes I'd like to share with you guys. It's about 100 degrees out here, and the seat with the slits in it is really nice for circulating that air and not making it so hot in the seat. Number two, I was able to mow at full speed, going straight in rough terrain and long grass without the engine bogging down one bit. One comment I get a lot, well, I don't really need something that big. Well, does anybody need a Ferrari? Or, oh man, Sam, I just can't justify something that big. Well, who says you have to? If you like it and you can swing it, you might as well get the best. So if you value your time on the weekends and you want to go out in that RV, why don't you get yourself a nice mower, get a nice cut, real quick, and go on about your business, do what you like. You don't have to justify anything to anybody. If you're one of the people that like the best, buy one of these bad boy Rogues. And don't forget, the 1000cc Kawasaki engine on this puppy makes a big difference, especially if you want to mow fast. Shop our inventory online at rathbonesales.com. This is Sam at Rathbone Sales, mowing with the bad boy.